Look what I have done. After an hour, I have created fire. Just when I was getting ready to give up. I guess we had a ton of air in the line. I swear I'm not turning the pilot off this summer. I'm not. Over an hour. But we have fire now. Yay! I lit the one in the cat's room. It didn't take no time at all, but this was ridiculous. We have fire. What do you think, girls? We got fire. They don't care. Fire! Oh, well, one of them spoke up. And kitties, you don't know about the fire. You will have to learn about the fire. Yay! Gosh, our gas bill's going to be ridiculous. Oh, well.